So, please welcome the Hiccup Circus acrobats in the 3 R's.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. I want to say it again. Reduce, reuse, recycle. We gotta watch what we buy. What's it contained? What's it contained? Where will it end up? Where will it lie? Can it change? Reuse, recycle. I want to hear you say reuse. Reuse, recycle. Let's try our best not to pollute the air that we breathe or the water we drink. Before you give that item the food, stop, look around you and take time to think.